Now I'm at my showroom and all the parts I've already put into my car, off to the workshop for the installation. Now we have arrived at our dealer's workshop, Exclusive Marks. And today we have this beautiful 991.2 GT3 installing Akrapovic full exhaust system. GT3, and it has a 9,000 RPM red line, so you can rev the car all the way to 9,000 RPM. Sounds absolutely amazing. The interior, we have this carbon fiber full bucket seats and also road legal roll cage. Not many cars has this. These are the Cell 100 cathode headers and the side muffler, and this is the Slip On Race middle muffler, which is incredibly lightweight. And not to forget this titanium Akrapovic tailpipes. Over here, this is the rear section that we took out from the GT3. So the stock exhaust has two very big side mufflers, then a very resonated center muffler section, and the headers over there. First we put in the side mufflers, then later on the headers, and finally the Slip On Race line. The entire Akrapovic exhaust system is made out of titanium. From the tailpipe to the side muffler, and also these titanium headers. These Akrapovic titanium headers comes with Cell 100 high flow catalytic converters, and it's made out of full titanium. Cold start of this 991.2 GT3 with Akrapovic full exhaust system. Okay. Now it's in valve off, and we turn the valves on now. And this is how the 911 GT3 sounds with Akrapovic full exhaust system. So let us know in the comment sections below what you think about the new exhaust sound on this beautiful Flatsix monster with Akrapovic full exhaust system. Remember to like and share our video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents.